Hey everyone! Welcome to Flair for Words, where we explore the art of expression. Health and wellness influence not only how long we live, but how energetically and meaningfully we experience everyday life.
Modern routines often challenge our physical and emotional balance in subtle yet powerful ways.
The right vocabulary allows us to describe well-being, imbalance, and recovery with clarity and confidence.
Let us now explore these words carefully and understand how they relate to real experiences of health and wellness.
Each day, a word, each word, a world. Step into the rhythm with that flair for words. Say it out loud.
Daniel, I can already feel my vitality improving since we started exercising consistently every morning.
Yes, Emily, regular workouts boost vitality naturally and make long workdays feel much more manageable.
Vitality refers to physical energy, mental alertness, and overall enthusiasm for life.
It reflects a state of strength and liveliness rather than merely the absence of illness.
Regular exercise improves vitality and stamina significantly.
Balanced nutrition contributes to long-term vitality.
When a person feels energetic, mentally active, and physically strong in daily life, that state of well-being is described as vitality.
We say boost vitality, restore vitality, maintain vitality, physical vitality, or youthful vitality.
Vitality works well in IELTS speaking, wellness discussions, lifestyle writing, and professional health-related contexts.
It sounds positive and descriptive without being overly technical. Margaret, my shoulders hurt again. This sedentary lifestyle from office work is really affecting me.
George, you sit for hours without moving? This sedentary lifestyle is slowly taking away your comfort and flexibility. A sedentary lifestyle refers to a way of living that involves little physical activity and prolonged sitting.
It commonly results from desk-based work and minimal movement.
A sedentary lifestyle increases health risks over time. Reducing screen time helps avoid a sedentary lifestyle. When daily routines involve extended hours of sitting with little exercise or physical movement, that pattern is described as a sedentary lifestyle.
Lead a sedentary lifestyle, sedentary routines, sedentary habits, largely sedentary or sedentary behavior.
Sedentary lifestyle is common in academic essays, IELTS writing, health journalism, and medical discussions.
It sounds analytical and formal. Amrita, this short road trip already feels refreshing. I really needed something to rejuvenate my mind.
Kevin, even a peaceful evening with tea in a calm place can truly rejuvenate us.
Wow, that sounds great. Weekend breaks rejuvenate emotional balance.
True, Kevin. Rejuvenate means to restore energy, freshness, or vitality after fatigue or stress.
It implies renewal rather than temporary relaxation.
When rest, travel, or relaxation restores your physical and mental energy after exhaustion, that process is described as rejuvenation.
Tea or coffee helps rejuvenate mental clarity.
We can say, rejuvenate the mind, rejuvenate the body, feel rejuvenated, fully rejuvenate, or rejuvenate energy.
Rejuvenate works in IELTS speaking, wellness blogs, lifestyle discussions, and reflective conversations. It sounds descriptive and practical.
Robert, I've decided to detoxify my routine by avoiding late-night scrolling from today.
That's wise, Eleanor. Digital detox can truly improve sleep quality and mental clarity.
Detoxify means to remove harmful substances or unhealthy habits from the body or routine.
It can refer to physical health or digital habits.
When someone removes harmful substances or reduces unhealthy behaviors to improve well-being, that process is described as detoxifying. Healthy hydration helps detoxify the body naturally.
Many people detoxify their routines to improve focus. Detoxify the body, detoxify naturally, detoxify lifestyle, digital detoxify, or detoxify the system.
Detoxify. This word appears in wellness articles, IELTS essays, health journalism, and lifestyle discussions.
It can sound formal or conversational depending on context.
Lolly, that was such restorative sleep. I feel completely refreshed this morning. Yes, Poppy, uninterrupted rest is truly restorative for both our mood and energy. Restorative describes something that renews strength, energy, or well-being after exhaustion or illness.
It emphasizes recovery and rebuilding rather than stimulation.
When rest or treatment helps rebuild physical or mental strength and restores balance, It is described as restorative. Restorative sleep improves concentration and emotional balance. A restorative holiday can rebuild mental clarity.
Restorative can be sleep, effects, practice, treatment, or we can say restorative environment.
Restorative. This word is frequently used in wellness writing, IELTS essays, and healthcare discussions.
It conveys recovery and long-term balance clearly.
Anya, you're home early. Are you feeling under the weather today?
Yes, Grandma. I felt slightly under the weather, so my teacher suggested I rest.
Come, dear, take some rest.
Thank you, Grandma. Under the weather means feeling slightly unwell or not at your usual level of health.
It usually refers to mild illness rather than serious medical conditions.
When someone feels mildly sick, tired, or low in energy without severe illness, they are described as being under the weather.
Feel under the weather, slightly under the weather, or look under the weather.
For example, she stayed home because she felt under the weather.
I looked under the weather during the school assembly. Under the weather is commonly used in spoken English and IELTS speaking responses.
It is informal and unsuitable for academic writing.
George, we need a holistic plan that includes nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress management rather than medication alone.
Holistic describes an approach that considers the whole person, including physical, mental, and emotional aspects together.
It focuses on overall balance rather than treating isolated symptoms separately.
Yes, George, a holistic approach will help you recover sustainably instead of relying on temporary relief.
When treatment or lifestyle changes address the body, mind, and emotional health together instead of individually, that approach is described as holistic. A holistic treatment plan improves overall well-being gradually.
Many wellness centers promote holistic health practices. We can say holistic approach, holistic treatment, holistic care, holistic wellness, or holistic health plan.
Holistic is widely used in healthcare discussions, IELTS writing essays, wellness journalism, and professional therapy contexts.
It sounds analytical yet practical in both spoken and written English.
Robert, gardening feels incredibly therapeutic. It clears my mind after a long day.
It certainly looks that way. Eleanor, writing in my journal feels therapeutic too. It helps me process my thoughts calmly.
When an activity or environment helps reduce stress and improves emotional or physical balance, it is considered therapeutic. Nothing like a day in the garden. These flowers are thriving this season.
Therapeutic describes something that promotes healing, relaxation, or emotional relief from stress.
It may refer to activities, environments, or structured treatments. Examples: music therapy can be highly therapeutic for anxiety, or spending time in nature has therapeutic benefits. Therapeutic activity, therapeutic effect, therapeutic environment, highly therapeutic, or therapeutic benefits.
Therapeutic is common in psychology discussions, IELTS essays, health journalism, and wellness blogs.
It sounds semi-formal and descriptive. Margaret, that consultation was a wake-up call. I need to take my health seriously now.
Yes, George, this wake-up call is the motivation we needed to start exercising consistently. A wake-up call refers to an event that forces someone to recognize a serious issue and make changes.
It often motivates long-term behavioral improvement.
When a situation suddenly makes someone realize they must change unhealthy habits or attitudes, that experience is described as a wake-up call. The diagnosis served as a wake-up call about unhealthy habits.
Financial stress became a wake-up call for better planning. Serve as a wake-up call, major wake-up call, personal wake-up call, or wake-up call moment.
A wake-up call is widely used in IELTS speaking, media reporting, motivational talks, and reflective writing.
It sounds conversational yet impactful. Sophie, these constant deadlines are starting to take a toll on my mental health.
James, ignoring exhaustion will only take a toll on your performance and well-being further. Take a toll. When prolonged stress or unhealthy habits gradually damage physical or emotional well-being, they are said to take a toll on someone. James, lack of sleep can take a toll on concentration.
But even financial stress often takes a toll on relationships.
We can say, take a toll on health, emotional toll, physical toll, heavy toll, or take a toll on relationships.
Take a toll on someone. It is widely used in IELTS essays, workplace discussions, and media reporting. It clearly conveys gradual negative impact over time.
Health and wellness require balance, awareness, and consistent small decisions made every single day.
The right vocabulary helps you describe imbalance, recovery, and long-term well-being clearly.
Continue learning thoughtfully, and let your language reflect a healthier and more balanced life.
Subscribe and keep watching Flair for Words.
Each day, a word, each word, a world. Step into the rhythm with that flair.